Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I have a fun and exciting haul, one that I have not done a haul from in a very long time, over a year. I have a ShopMissA haul. I finally placed an order. I'm so excited to share with you what I found. I'm glad I waited too, because they came out with several other new products that I was really excited to get my hands on. And I got to thinking I hadn't done a full face of ShopMissA makeup in a long time, so I thought, you know what, I'm going to get on there, I'm going to order so we can have enough stuff for a full face. So I'm excited to get back into doing some ShopMissA AOA Studio reviews for you guys, as well as tutorials and full face get ready with me. So let's get started. First, I want to start with the things that aren't AOA Studio, that aren't the ShopMissA brand themselves. So I picked up a Cala Wet and Silky Detangling Hairbrush. Now, this handle, I want to point out a few things. This is a lime green hairbrush. Fine, I love it. I love it. It has like a suede kind of handle, like for gripping, so it's not going to slip around if you're using this in the shower. And I also want to point, the bristles are kind of flimsy. I just want to point that out to you if you're thinking about ordering this. I did pick up some of these nail adhesive tabs for fake nails. I am just curious to whether or not they will actually work. And I picked up a L'Oreal Nourishing Nail Mask, and there are 10 fingernail masks in here. So we'll probably do a review on that. I'm excited to try that as well. Random item from Miss A. And I saw these and immediately thought of Connor. Both of us dearly love watermelon, so we cannot wait for watermelon season to get here. But I saw these, and Connor uses straws, obviously, in his cups. Yeah, I had to pick these up. So you get red and striped ones and white ones with little watermelons on them. How adorable. I think that's an alright deal for $1. I mean, because they're super, super cute. They have so many designs. Bath bombs, their bath line. So I was very, very curious. So it started with this balm here. And this is called Hush. And it says it's a rose scent. What's very cute about it is it has like a rose in the top there, and it is purple and pink. Even packaged, you can smell the scent. It smells so good. I thought this was intriguing, so I got another F bomb, and this is in rose quartz. I really wish they'd had the aquamarina one in stock, but they did not. It's shaped like a diamond or some kind of stone, and this is also rose scented. I don't think I realized that I grabbed 2 rose ones, but that's okay because I like the scent of rose. And then I grabbed a bubble bar to try out. So this is coconut milk lavender. Isn't it pretty? Can't wait to try this stuff out. I've stated in the past, it's not a secret, I don't like AOA Studio wipes. Their makeup remover wipes. Pick them up from time to time when I did place an order, because I like just having a wash over my face sometimes in the mornings. Maybe I'm in a hurry, I just grab a wipe, and I think these are perfect for that. They're perfect for the purse, and you can't beat that. They had a new watermelon scent. Once again, love some watermelon, so I could not pass this scent up. You get 15 wipes. So these are alcohol free, which is a great thing. I do like them for just that kind of wash over, you know, refresh for your face. So I will pick these up for that, but I do not think they are good makeup removers. I have a repeat purchase also. So this is the F16, the AOA Studio. This is the small, precise concealer brush. I'm always reaching for my concealer brush. I do my brows with it, and then I'll cut a crease with it, and then I'll have to wash it out. And I thought, you know, that's kind of a vicious cycle. I need 2 of these, so I picked up another one finally. I picked up a few sponge items that I had in my wish list for a while. So I got the AOA Studio Whirly Blender Holder. This was just $1. And then I did pick up their little mini blender. And I do have some mini blenders, but they're not like this shape. I just thought that I would go ahead and pick this one up. I bet it's great for under eyes. So we shall see, and I am excited to try that. I did pick up their new limited edition, but this is the coral one. And I picked up, now this was a suggestion to go along with another product that I purchased. I was wanting this sponge anyways, but because also that it was a suggestion to use with the other product I got, I had to grab this. It is so soft. We are also going to be trying the AOA Studio brush cleaner out. And this is their Argan Oil Brush Soap. I got this in peach. And I want to show you. Now, I like this because it doesn't just pop off. You have to screw the lid off. I'm a fan of that. And look at the texture of this soap. Very unique texture. And the scent, I can smell it through the package. It's nice and peachy. A couple of their long-lasting shadow sticks. This one is in yogurt. I got the matte ones. So matte yogurt. I knew that I could use this under my brow as a secondary base, all over eye base in general. And I put these on my hands last night, just a quick swatch, and they did not budge. These are really awesome. One thing I want to mention is when I opened it though, the bottoms popped off of both of them. So take note of that. I also picked that, see, it just literally fell off, in Matte Mellow. And this is another nude pencil. Like I said, highlight the brow, all over lid, whatever, waterline. For me, these pencils have multiple uses. I picked up their Fat Lash Mascara. I'm very curious. Everyone loves this mascara apparently online. And thought that we could give it a go as well. You can't beat a lot of these products for $1. You just really, you cannot. So we're nearing the finish line. I just have a few items. They came out with these new AOA Studio Buttercream Gel Eyeliners slash shadows. And they're in these little cute jars. They have a shimmery line, and then they have their like matte basic line. With colorful too. They're $1 each, of course. I got mine in pistachio to try because I love me some green, and they come packaged like this. And I don't know if it's going to show true to color. It looks very dark and black there, but it's actually a green, and I am so stoked to try this product out. I love setting sprays, so I grabbed a A+ AOA Studio setting spray, long lasting, fragrance free, and lightweight. So I was going to pick the primer duo up too, but I recently got some primer sprays. I don't need another one. So yeah, setting spray. Could always use that because I use setting spray more than I use the primer spray anyways. So I did pick up some of their face products too. So I picked up the AOA Studio A+ Buildable Satin Foundation. Okay, I've seen a lot of reviews on this. I went back and forth between shades several times. So I went ahead and I picked mine up in porcelain. Because I'm very fair, and usually the lightest shade will do me. So I just picked up the lightest shade, and I have high hopes for that. Plus I watched a bunch of videos before I placed my order just to see other people swatching and compare to like their skin tone, and watching people that are similar to my skin tone. So I think that I picked the right one. I also wanted to try their new concealer that they have, and the lighting is wonky. But this is their natural finish concealer, their liquid concealer. It says it has a medium to full coverage, it's non-drying, it's creamy, and it's long wearing. I've seen awesome reviews on this. I cannot wait to try this out. And once again, we did pick it up in porcelain. So, and then the satin foundation recommended picking up a mochi sponge to use with it. So that's the reason why I did grab a mochi sponge. But I'm sure these will work for me to lightest shades. Let's hope. And then I watch, I think her name is Shortcake Beauty. I could be wrong. But anyways, I love her videos. She does so many Makeup Revolution videos and ShopMissA videos. Love her channel. She loves these lashes. These are her favorite lashes. I knew I was going to get a pair of lashes, so why not take her recommendation and get these. These are their faux mink 3D lashes, and these are in Jackie. Oh yeah. Love me some Jackie Aina too. I don't think these are named after Jackie Aina, but she's pretty awesome. So yes, aren't they beautiful? I think they're going to be a bit dramatic for my eye shape. I didn't realize that, but that's okay. We're going to rock these anyways. I am excited to try them. Last and final item. So last item I have is Self-Made. This is their 25 color eyeshadow palette. I went back and forth between several palettes. I was going to get multiples, but your girl is trying to cut down. Even though I just hauled several new items, I know these are items that I will use. So that's the difference. I am trying so hard to be more picky about my eyeshadow palettes and stuff because I have a lot. Hence all those decolor videos too. But Self-Made is the one that was calling my name the most, mainly because it has a nice mixture of colorful and neutrals to make several looks. But yes, it has a nice variety of shades in there. I love the greens, the blues. There is even a yellow. There's a silver, there's a golden shade, there's copper, and then you have all these matte neutral browns. You have a black. So the looks with this palette here are endless, versus if you wanted a palette that were just neutrals versus you want the rainbow palette, like you're pretty, like, and if you wanted to do a one palette look, you're pretty stuck. You know what I'm saying? With this, I can already envision spring looks, neutral glam looks, some pinky nude looks even, with this beautiful mauve shade down here. There is smoky eyes, halo eyes, cut creases with this palette. Like, all the other palettes are the same too. Don't get me wrong, you can do that stuff too. But I'm saying with this palette, there is more variety in my eyes personally, because you have the colors, the mattes, the cool tones, the warm tones. You have a good mixture. So this palette was the one for me. So I am so happy to have finally placed another ShopMissA order. This is the last and final item. I hope you guys enjoyed the haul. Can't wait for the upcoming videos. I thank you guys so very much for always watching. Stay tuned for more videos. Don't forget to like the video, comment, subscribe, ring the bell if you haven't already, and check the description box for additional links. And there'll be a ShopMissA playlist down there. So if you've not seen any other ShopMissA videos I've done, check that playlist out because there is a ton. Thank you so very much again for watching. I hope you all are having a blessed day,